Hi, my name is Tammy Graham and I am the owner of ProTax Advantage. And I wanted to just share a few insights with you. I have been doing tax resolution work since I believe 2015. I have a degree in accounting, a master's degree in accounting, and I have an enrolled agent license, which means I am licensed to practice before the IRS to represent clients. I started out with one of the large resolution companies, and I didn't know anything else. I didn't know much about the business. I learned quickly, and I learned how to push cases through and get them closed. They want you to close a certain number of cases each month, and that's their focus. I worked a lot of cases, and I worked with a lot of clients of taxpayers that were promised that they qualified for a Fresh Start program or an offer and compromise. And then I did their financials, and then I discovered that they did not qualify for whatever reason, that they had too much equity in their home, or their income was too high. And I was the enrolled agent, and I was the one handling the case. So I was the one that had to explain to that taxpayer that they had been told something that was not true. After working with them for a while and seeing this huge injustice, I guess is the best word I can think of, I decided to go out on my own and start, offering cases on my own, taking care of the cases on my own. In this way, I can bring a taxpayer in with a problem, and I can do a discovery phase on them, and I can pull their transcripts and do a financial analysis, and I can see what they might qualify for. So that when I do go to the second phase, which it would be the resolution, I know that they are prepared, that they have all their tax returns filed, all the balances due are in, which is a requirement, and B, that what I'm telling them they qualify for is something that they actually qualify for. It's important to me to serve the taxpayers that I am working with in the highest possible way that I can. And that means that I'm not going to rush a case through just so I can close it and count it as one more closed case on my books for the month. I just feel that is a huge injustice to a taxpayer who has entrusted me with their situation, who is relying on me and my knowledge to navigate them through the system. I don't feel right about that. I don't do things that way. I want to take a taxpayer's individual set of circumstances and review it. Oftentimes, taxpayers have not filed a tax return, for instance, and the IRS has filed one for them. That's called an SFR. And if you are a small business owner, a 1099 worker, when they do that, you will get a huge bill because they won't give you any of the expenses that you are entitled to. So that should be fixed. It should be fixed to reduce the liability. So the liability should be reduced in every way possible before moving forward to a payment plan, unless you're talking about an offer and compromise. And in some situations, when an offer and compromise is the right choice for you, then possibly we go forward with that amount because we're going to settle for less anyway. But all of those things have to come together, and a strategy has to be formed for each client. And that's not something you can just do and get closed up by the end of the month. So what we offer is specialized services. We are affiliated with a national group that has tax attorneys and ex-revenue officers, revenue agents, special agents. So I have a lot of resources at my fingertips. I do a lot of research for each case so that I make sure that I'm maximizing the laws in my taxpayers' favor. We enjoy what we do. We enjoy helping people and relieving that stress and that pressure that it comes with having IRS debt. So if you are finding yourself in a situation where you don't know where to turn, where you owe the IRS money, you can't pay, or you just have circumstances that you need time to pay it, you don't know how to handle it, you've got situations where something is incorrect on there, whatever it is, you owe it to yourself to have an advocate in your corner. So give us a call. We offer a free consultation. You can call 574-200-0008, or you can go to our website, which is protaxadvantage.com. I promise you that we will do the very best for you. We will be available to you by phone, by text, by email, by Zoom call, whatever it is that you need. We realize that owing the IRS causes a whole lot of stress, and sometimes people just get anxious and they need a little bit more hand-holding. You won't be a number with us. You will be an individual, a human being, a person with a problem that they're trying to navigate, and we will respectfully navigate that with you. So 574-200-0008. You owe it to yourself to give us a call. Can't wait to get started. Thanks. Bye.